In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable sensitive content in Telegram. This setting lets you view channels and media that have been marked as 18 plus, so please proceed only if you're of legal age in your region and comfortable seeing mature content. I'll walk you through the process clearly and give a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. This guide is specifically for the desktop app on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The option we're looking for may not appear on the mobile app in some regions, so make sure you're using the desktop version rather than the phone or web app. Once Telegram Desktop is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That opens the main menu where you can access all of your preferences and tools. From that menu, click on Settings. In the Settings window, choose Chat Settings. This section controls how conversations look and behave, and it also houses the toggle we need for sensitive content. Now scroll down through Chat Settings until you find the option related to sensitive or 18+ content. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Sensitive Content or Enable 18+ Content. When you see it, turn the toggle on. The switch will highlight to confirm it's enabled. That's all you need to do to allow mature content in your feed and search. A few quick notes to keep things smooth. This change typically takes effect right away, and you don't need to restart the app. If you still don't see more mature channels or media, it may be because the channel owners haven't flagged content consistently or because of regional and platform policies. In some cases, updating Telegram Desktop to the latest version helps the setting appear or work correctly. Also, this toggle affects what you can discover and view, but it doesn't alter your existing chats or forward anything automatically. Remember, you're in control. If you decide later that you no longer want to see sensitive content, come back to the same place, Settings, then Chat Settings, and turn the toggle off. If you share your computer with others, especially younger users, consider leaving this setting disabled or creating a separate user profile to keep your preferences private. That's it. Open Telegram. Desktop, go to the menu, select Settings, head into Chat Settings, scroll down, and turn on the 18+ content toggle. Thanks for watching, and use this feature responsibly.